Welcome. In this lesson, we'll be putting the pieces of our model together, that is, creating an assembly. Let's begin by saving our part to the correct location in the Pocket Game folder. We name it appropriately. I'm going to call it Pocket Game. And click Save. Now let's get to work. Go to Insert, Features, and Split. For the Split tool, we're going to be using the top plane. Let's select it from the tree. We're also going to use Surface Trim 3. Now click Cut Part. Next, we need to rename our parts. Double-click on one of the resulting bodies fields. A Save As dialog window opens. Let's name our part appropriately. We'll call it Top Housing. And click Save. Here's the second body. It's the battery cover. Double-click. Let's call it Battery Cover. And click Save. The bottom housing is our third body. Let's double-click to pull up the Save As dialog window, and we'll call it Bottom Housing. And click Save. Let's accept. Solidworks is processing our request. And the Solid Bodies folder in the design tree shows 3 separate solid bodies. Solidworks has opened all of the parts we created. You can see them in the window menu. Let's right-click on Split 1. And we'll select Create Assembly. Let's click Browse. We'll name our assembly Pocket Game Assembly. And click Save. And OK to exit the Create Assembly dialog window. SolidWorks prompts us for a rebuild. Yes, we want to do it now. And we have our assembly. Now once again, to edit the individual parts, right-click on the part and select Edit. Exit in the confirmation window when you're finished. This concludes our lesson on creating the assembly for our video game.